Is this Kester 44 30-year-old rosin core leaded solder just as good as the identical one, which is new? Looks like they did equally as good. Okay, here's the 30-year-old solder connections, and I'll move it over to the right. And there's the new solder connections. Guess what? I would actually say that 30-year-old solder with rosin core in it is just as good as the new solder. Pretty interesting. I never would have thought that. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more cool tech stuff. Thanks.